Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save music from YouTube to your files. So if you are wondering if there is a way for us to actually download music from YouTube, well, there is a way for us and not many actually know this. So once you want to click on top corner of your screen, but first you need to log in to access this. Here just click on your profile picture and you want to go to YouTube Studio. So underneath the YouTube Studio, you want to go to the audio library section here. That's underneath the customization settings. Just click on audio library and as you can see there are different music that we could actually use. So this is really awesome because this music can be used for your videos on YouTube. So when you actually click on the search or filter library option, here you can see we get a further filter out this list that we have on our screen. So if you want to filter this by search or track, little general mood, artist name and duration, and you can also filter it by attribution, required or not required. So if you do not want attribution included in your videos, you can just use attribution not required and you will be given those options on your list here. So for you to just play this music here, just click on the play button here. It's going to play the audio track for you. So if you want to save this one, like it won't go back to it later, or like for example it actually really interesting for you, just click on the start button here. If it doesn't start, it's not empty, it's not cheap yet, but if it's filled out, it means you've already saved that. So here when we go to start is all the music that I have saved so far. So for you to actually download this music, you would just want to go to the right corner of that music here and just click on download, and that would actually start our download for the music, and you can now use this for your videos. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.